Yesterday, last class, we discussed about radius of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen. Can you tell the formula? Can you tell the formula? Rn is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m e square kj. Right. Now today we are going to discuss velocity of electron in nth orbit of hydrogen. Note correct. Velocity of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen. Velocity of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen. Velocity of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen. We know that angular momentum of an electron is quantized. MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. I think everybody knows. Angular momentum of an electron is quantized. So here V is equal to NH 2 pi. Actually, you also write step by step. You also write step by step. V is equal to NH by 2 pi mr. V is equal to NH upon 2 pi mr. Squaring on both sides. V square is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square m square r square. So V square is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square m r square. Sorry, here, 1 second, sorry. Squaring also not required. But if you want to know the velocity, sorry, nth orbital, अच्छा radius nth orbital में substitute करो. Rn value ना आपका, देखो, Rn value, this Rn value यहाँ substitute करो. Finally बताओ क्या? This Rn value यहाँ substitute करो सर. इस Rn वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. फाइनली सिंपलीफाई करके फाइनल वैल्यू बताओ. Vn is equal to how much? Vn is equal to how much? Vn is equal to how much? Does anybody? अच्छा, Vn is equal to nh upon 2 pi m instead of Rn 0.8 n square h square by 4 pi square m e square kj. अच्छा कैंसिल सिंपलीफाई कर को यहां से n एक कैंसिल करना. देखो सर यहाँ पाई यहाँ क्या होता है 2 पाई होता है. Vn is equal to 2 pi m e square kz. अच्छा mm कैंसिल है. mm कैंसिल है. 2 pi e square kz upon nh. अच्छा, this is up to you whether you remember the expression or not, because there is no guarantee. NCERT में what are the lines are given NCERT, they may ask any question. For example, 2021, 2020 NEET examination, unexpected question from NCERT textbook only ask करना. NCERT textbook but unexpected questions only ask. So that's why expression they may ask you. So finally, अच्छा in this expression है Vn is proportional to Z है, inversely proportional to n. देखो Vn is proportional to Z है, inversely proportional to n. Vn is proportional to Z, inversely proportional to n. Suppose I frame one question. If velocity of an electron in second orbit of helium ion is V, then velocity of an electron in third orbit of lithium ion is. अच्छा क्वेश्चन एक बार देख लीजिए. Velocity of an electron in second orbit of helium ion is V. Then velocity of an electron in third orbit of lithium ion will be. अच्छा देखो ये एक्सप्रेशन है V proportional to Z है, inversely proportional to N. Proportional to atomic number है, inversely proportional to orbit number, means principal quantum number. चलो calculator velocity of helium ion upon velocity of lithium ion, we want a ratio. अच्छा directly proportional to Z है, मतलब calculator atomic number of helium ion by atomic number of lithium ion. ये हो गया. Inversely proportional to N है, inversely proportional to orbital. Shall we write like this? Into अच्छा lithium ion belongs to which orbit and the helium ion belongs to which orbit? This is the according to this one I will write like this, like अच्छा V1 by V2 is equal to Z1 by Z2 into N2 by N1, just like that I wrote it. अच्छा given velocity of helium ion is equal to V, this given V. अच्छा we want to calculate, this is X, suppose X you are going to calculate. We are going to calculate X1. अच्छा atomic number of helium atom, helium ion both are same only. अच्छा helium atom, helium ion में what is the difference है? Number of electron difference है, number of neutrons है, number of protons है, atomic number है, all are same only. The only difference is number of electrons, ion का and neutral atom का. So atomic number there is no change है, 4 है. Atomic number, sorry. Atomic number 2 है. Atomic lithium is 3 है. अच्छा lithium ion belongs to which orbit? Third orbit है. अच्छा helium ion belongs to which orbit है? Second orbit है. अच्छा क्या हो गया? अच्छा मतलब velocity of an electron third orbit is. अच्छा this kind of questions are previously asked in IIMS examination. अच्छा कहाँ से है relation से? V proportional to Z, P proportional to N. मतलब number of orbits increases, its velocity decreases. The electron which are goes to the nucleus is move fastly. Which are away from nucleus, its movement is, its velocity is less only. Not correct. Like question, if you know concept, you can frame the question by your own. It's a simple question. If velocity of an electron in second orbit of helium ion is V, then what is the velocity of lithium ion in third orbit of labeless? Anything they will ask. As sir, why are expressions we supposed to learn which? Who knows? Sometimes they will ask match the following type. Which are the following expressions are correct? चलते हैं. चलो एक काम करो, यहाँ 2 is constant ना, I is constant है, charge of electron is constant है, K value series में 1 है. अच्छा ये चीज constant है. Substituting all values है final equation में. Yes, Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 Z by N centimeter per second. Actually, somebody said 6 है, also correct है, in meter per second. 10 power 6 है, Z by N है. If you take a meter per second. SI unit में 10 power 6 लिखो, सीरीज यूनिट्स में 10 power 8 लिखो. नोट करो. 2.18 into 10 power 8 Z by N centimeter per second है, Z by N meter per second. चलो I will ask you one question, simple question है, previous last question है, एम्स का क्वेश्चन है. देखो एम्स का प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन है, एम्स का क्वेश्चन है velocity of light and velocity of an electron in first orbit of hydrogen. अच्छा, ratio they're asking for velocity of light by velocity of an electron in first orbit of hydrogen. देखो whenever first orbit दिया ना, n value 1, at hydrogen atom is given na z value 1. अच्छा, indirectly hydrogen atom is z is equal to 1 है, first orbit means n is equal to 1 है. Then what is the relation? Do you know what is velocity of light है? 3 into 10 power 8 इसमें मीटर पर सेकंड. वेरी गुड. चलो डिवाइड बाय velocity of electron again मीटर पर सेकंड दे ले लो 2.16. अच्छा 2.16 into 10 power 6. एक काम करो 300 upon 10 power 6 divided by 2.16 into 10 power 6. Shall I write like this? ऊपर वाला 10 power 8 को मैंने 300 10 power 6 लिखा. Shall I write? Now shall I cancel this? 10 power 6 10 cancel करो. अच्छा 300 by 2.16 approximately 137 times approximately. Yes, it is exactly 2 is 150, no doubt. Exactly 2 is 150 times approximately, but exact value 137. मतलब क्या है? Velocity of light is how many times है? 137 times is heavier than velocity of electron. अच्छा, this is a question previously asked in इसमें एम्स एग्जाम. अच्छा, no need to have this question as we know velocity of light, we know velocity of electron and orbit of hydrogen. First orbit of hydrogen. Compare करो बस. We know atomic structure is safest zone for NEET students. The only thing is they will ask you numericals are based on formulas. The only thing is you have to substitute what are the values are given in the formula. That's it. Followed by calculations. Still you are feeling difficulty means practice more. Practice more numericals. That's it. Shall I ask you one simple question? Simple calculations only. What did we did? Shall I ask you one simple question? Shall I? Acha, question number 1. Question number 1. Ratio of radius of an electron in first two orbits in hydrogen atom. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the ratio of radius of an electron in ratio of area of first two orbits in hydrogen atom. अच्छा, क्या आंसर क्या? First one is since R is proportional to n square. अच्छा Z I am not taking because hydrodynamics is given. Z का मतलब कोई लेना देना नहीं Z का. अच्छा first two orbit means 1:4. Now here 1 by 1:16. क्यों? अच्छा area means ratio of area means pi r1 square upon pi r2 square. Because according to Bohr, orbit is circular. Area of circle is pi r square only. Pi r square only. So मतलब r1 by r2 whole square. r1 by r2 whole square. अच्छा r1 by r2 ratio 1:4 है. 1 by 4 square. Nothing but 1 by. The like question they will ask you for confusion purpose. They're asking area, they're asking radius. Area is different from radius. You're supposed to know that according to Bohr, orbits are circular. The area of circle, I think everybody knows pi r square. Simple basic mathematics you are applied, that's it. You have never used high-end mathematics in chemistry. Only simple mathematics only we are using. Shall I go to next? Shall I? श्रीनिवास एनी डाउन? श्रीनिवास आपका नाम? ललित. अच्छा ललित श्रीनिवास. अच्छा आप दोनों का नाम कंफ्यूजन था, सब कुछ ठीक था. चलो नेक्स्ट. ललित मेरे को ये बताओ, वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. Am I right? अच्छा टाइम पीरियड t, टाइम पीरियड को t is equal to distance by velocity. Distance by velocity. Am I right? अच्छा ये डिस्टेंस का मतलब क्या है? ऑर्बिट का डिस्टेंस का मतलब क्या है? सर्कमफ्रेंस ओनली, बिकॉज सर्कुलर है. सर्कमफ्रेंस है. सर्कमफ्रेंस का मतलब 2 pi r. वेलोसिटी. अच्छा टाइम पीरियड एंथ ऑर्बिट में चाहिए. अच्छा यू नो vn वैल्यू, वी नो rn वैल्यू, वी नो vn वैल्यू क्या है? अच्छा फाइनल वैल्यू बताओ. rn इज इक्वल टू 0.529 into n square by z angstrom है ना, angstrom. और vn वैल्यू you know that 2.18 into 10 power 8 z by n सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. अच्छा दोनों वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, rn का vn का. अच्छा फाइनल इक्वेशन कैसा होता है? फाइनल इक्वेशन है, अच्छा फाइनल इक्वेशन Tn is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 16 and final equation. अच्छा n cube by z square. Simply you can add करो ऐसा, proportional to n cube है, inversely proportional to z square. देखो यहाँ रेडियस में n स्क्वायर बाय z है, n स्क्वायर बाय z है. अच्छा वेलोसिटी में z बाय n, n पाई कितने? n क्यूब बाय z स्क्वायर. ये जस्ट रिमेंबर. टाइम पीरियड है. व्हाट आर यूनिट्स ऑफ टाइम पीरियड है? सेकंड्स है. चलो टाइम पीरियड का फॉर्मूला n क्यूब बाय z स्क्वायर. सिंपली यू रिमेंबर टाइम पीरियड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? n क्यूब बाय z स्क्वायर. टाइम पीरियड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? n क्यूब बाय z स्क्वायर. अच्छा इंक्लूडिंग वैल्यू रिक्वायर्ड है, देन यू कैन राइट Tn is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 16 n cube by z square. n cube by z square. Right? For a kind of formation, time period is always inversely proportional to frequency. Am I right? You know, orbital frequency, I think they call it RPS. What is RPS? Number of revolution per second. RPS, small, you can write, don't confuse. RPS, number of revolution per second. Per second is nothing but frequency. Second minus is unity frequency. अच्छा, frequency nu is equal to क्या है? 1 by time period है. 1 by time period है. Shall we write this value should be 6.6 into 10 power 15 z square by n. अच्छा, frequency का फॉर्मूला z square by n cube, time period का फॉर्मूला n cube by z square. Orbital frequency. What is the ratio of time periods if for an electron belongs to second orbit of helium and third orbit of lithium. अच्छा, what is the ratio of their time periods? For an electron belongs to second orbit of helium and third orbit of lithium. Second orbit of helium and third orbit of lithium. Time periods they want. अच्छा, time period का क्या है? T proportional to n cube by z square. T proportional to n cube by z square. चलो, T helium ion upon T lithium ion. अच्छा, आप बताओ, T helium ion upon lithium ion, number of orbits का proportional n cube, proportional to n cube है. Shall we write अच्छा, helium belongs to this n cube है. अच्छा, lithium cube है. Orbit के लिए cube है. Now atomic number के लिए square है, inversely proportional. Inversely. Shall we write atomic number of lithium ion square है, atomic number of helium ion square है. Compare करो. T proportional to n cube. T inversely proportional to z square. अच्छा, ratio required. T helium by T lithium है, ratio is required. अच्छा, helium belongs to which orbit है? Second orbit. Shall I write 2? Lithium belongs to which orbit है? अच्छा, 2 cube upon 3 cube. Helium belongs to second orbit. 2 cube है. Cube is there. It belongs to third orbit. 3 cube है. Into atomic number of lithium 3 मतलब 3 square. Atomic number of helium मतलब 2 square. हाँ, क्या नीचे 3 मिलेगा, ऊपर 2 मिलेगा. What is the answer? 2:3. अच्छा, this kind of questions are JEE में and NEET AIMS में frequently asked है. Time period का ratio 2:1 ratio. Any atom, any orbit they can consider because formula is there ना, n cube by z square. Time period का formula. Note करो. अच्छा, don't be panic, don't be mug up this formula. So by practice automatically it is remembered. And one more topic left, that is energy derivation. and after that we conclude the Bose model. After doing the problems in previous last question, we can conclude it. The most important topic, and most of the questions are previous asked Bose model class. Theoretical question they never ask me. Spectrum questions and Bose model radius, velocity, energy question they're asking. Shall I go to next? Energy, derivation of energy. Shall I go for derivation of energy? Write down energy of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom. Energy of an electron. Energy of an electron. Energy of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom. Energy of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom. Energy of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom. Energy of an electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom. Nth orbit of hydrogen atom. चलो अच्छा, total energy T is equal to sum of kinetic energy plus. अच्छा, you also write step by step. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. अच्छा, kinetic energy nothing but half mv square plus potential energy. अच्छा, once you check first derivation, we derived a radius now, which are considered stability of the atom. अच्छा, there can you tell the condition? K Z E square by R square is equal to mv square by R. अच्छा, ये काम करो. mv square का वैल्यू क्या है? mv square वहां पे. Here instead of mv square now you can substitute. Can you tell? K Z E square by 2 already there, 2R. नोट करो. काइनेटिक एनर्जी कहां से आया? अच्छा, अकॉर्डिंग टू एटम इज स्टेबल है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन शुड बी इक्वल टू सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स फ्रॉम देयर है mv square is equal to k z e square by r. Plus minus k z e square by r. Potential energy. अच्छा, some experimental results we derived potential energy. अच्छा, derivation body not given, but you remember potential energy का क्या है. अच्छा, ओवरऑल क्या होता है? k z e square by 2r minus k z e square by r. अच्छा, this is just like x by 2 minus x time, no? देखो, here x is equal to x is equal to k z e square by r suppose. This is in the form of क्या है? x by 2 minus x कितना होता है? 1 by 2 minus 1 minus पक्का? Good, excellent. That's right. I like you. You are very strong in mathematics, right? Minus x by 2. अच्छा, x का वैल्यू क्या है? Minus k z e square by r. What this value? Total energy. अच्छा, suppose you want En value and put Rn value over here. We know Rn value क्या है? n square h square by 4 pi square m e square k. अच्छा, this value put over here. Then what is ultimately? Total energy is equal to minus 2 pi square m e power 4 k square z square by n square h square. अच्छा, after substituting these values, we can conclude करो. En value क्या होता है? minus 2 pi square m e power 4 k square z square by n square h square होता है. This is a final equation. Here. Sir, why this much of calculation which are not given NCR test? Yes, I too agree. Not given NCR test derivation. But who knows? They will previously asked which of the following expression is correct. Expression is complete derivation. How to get this expression? But don't worry, don't be panic about the derivation. At least you remember the final equation. That's okay. En value. Anyhow, in modern physics also we studied En value. Minus 2 pi square me for a 4 k square j square by n square square. Sir, here one simple question, simple logic. Previously also asked. Simple logical question. In physics also, in chemistry also. अच्छा हमने kinetic energy को क्या assume किया x by 2. अच्छा potential energy को -6. अच्छा total energy क्या होता है -6 by 2. अच्छा this kind of questions are they may ask in final examination also. Suppose kinetic energy 3.4 electron volt है. What will be the potential energy sir? -6.8 होता है. अच्छा ये वाला -3.4. Sometime now they will ask the questions relation between kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy. If any of the one energy you know that remaining energy automatically you have to write. If you know kinetic energy, total energy. If you know total energy, what is kinetic energy? Some numericals may directly we are using these relations. That's the reason why I derived this equation. Because in between the question they are asking you kinetic energy, potential energy relation क्या है? And they will ask relation Ke by T is equal to -1. अच्छा Pe by T is equal to 2 ना? Right? अच्छा any relation they will ask you. This simple है. अच्छा x by 2x means x का मतलब क्या है? kz e square by r. Simple you remember x right x by 2 minus x by 2. Some questions are there on our exercise also. Total energy, potential energy, and these relations. Chalo. Now, anybody can tell what is the value, arbitrary value of En value. 2 constant है, pi constant है, mass of electron constant है, charge of electron is constant है, k is constant है, h is constant है. Substituting all values है. अच्छा चलो. Minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt per atom. Correct है. 100% right है. Correct है. अच्छा joules में, joule per atom में minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 z square by n square joule per atom. अच्छा x में -11 है. x में -11 है, जूल में -15 है. अच्छा किलो जूल्स पर मोल में -1312 into z square by n square किलो जूल्स पर मोल. अच्छा किलो कैलोरीज में z square by n square किलो कैलोरीज पर मोल. अच्छा at least you remember first two equation. At least you remember first two equation. Remaining two automatically you remember now. 1 electron volt per atom is equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole. अच्छा 13.6 को दिस से मल्टीप्लाई करो 13.6 आए. अच्छा which is equal to 96.45 kilojoules per mole. Approximately 100 into 13.6. 13 into 100. अच्छा at least you remember first two. Remaining conversion में आता है. This conversion already used नहीं. Photoelectric effect में 1 electron volt is there. I think ultimately we are using first equation En value in physics also 13.6 z square by n square इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर है। चलो मैं एक काम करूंगा आपके लिए, काम करूंगा। En is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square electron volt per atom. Let's suppose I will take hydrogen atom. Z value enta? When it becomes En is equal to minus 13.6 by n square. चलो ये काम करो मेरे को। What is the value of E1, E2, E3, E4, E infinity? Anybody? Yes. E1 है कितना है? -30.6 divided by 1 square కదా। अच्छा E2 by 2 square ఎంత? अच्छा -13.6 by 3 square। अच्छा माइनस है प्लस है? अच्छा ये वाला 4 square minus 0.85 and so on। 13.6 by infinity is equal to 0। What is the meaning of 0 electron? 0 electron energy 0 क्या? 0 electron का क्या मतलब है? अच्छा energy never be 0, arbitrary you have to consider to be 0। What they call as free electron है। The electron which are far away from nucleus, we have to remove the electron very easily। Those electrons को free energy बोलते हैं। फ्री एनर्जी के लिए हम 0 लेता है। फ्री एनर्जी के लिए फ्री एनर्जी। अच्छा दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? आईपी वैल्यू है। आयनाइजेशन आईपी वैल्यू है और आयनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल, आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, आयनाइजेशन पोटेंशियल है। द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रिमूव द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम आइसोलेटेड gaseous atom is ground state। वैलेंशियल, इन वैलेंशियल you remove the electron, that is called IP value। अच्छा यार IP value very less होता है, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, फ्री एनर्जी होता है। IP value is always positive or negative? Always positive, endothermic है। The amount of energy required always required है, not released है। So sometime in numericals you need to remember total energy should be equal to IP or IE with opposite sign। Total energy is equal to IP or IE with opposite sign। Generally total energy always negative, IP value is positive। अच्छा total energy, if you want total energy, negative sign of IP value, nothing but total energy only। Total energy always is equal to ionization। I think you remember what is the meaning of 0 electron volt means free energy। Electron को easily remove करता है because electron far away from nucleus, no force of attraction, almost nil force of attraction between the nucleus। You have to pull the electron very easily। Sir, why negative sign है? Whenever electron is coming towards nucleus है, it release energy है। Energy never be negative है, energy released है। As a negative sign indicates what? Energy released है। And one more information आप देख लीजिए, if n value increases, n is the principal quantum number of shells, k, l, m, n, 1, 2, 3, 4, number n value increases, kinetic energy, velocity decreases na? You know na, v inversely proportional to n na sir, z by n na, we could see velocity decreases na, if electron is away from nucleus with velocity, kinetic energy, what sir? Potential energy, total energy increase। देखो total energy 0, minus 0.85, minus 1 point, minus 13.6, minus sign का means 1, 2, 3, 4. If electron is coming from lower energy to higher energy level, zero energy never be zero. It is free energy. That's it. Energy increases at top to bottom. Total energy increases at top to -13.6, -3 point, -1 point, -0 point, and up to 0. Energy released, right? No. This values are important. If n value increases, velocity decreases, kinetic energy increases, total energy decreases, total energy increases, potential energy increases. Some objective question में they may ask questions. Conclusions note करो. If number of orbits increases, velocity decreases, kinetic energy increases, decreases, right? Chalo. One previous last question I'm telling you. One previous last question है. अच्छा, according to Bohr, what is delta E, sir? E2 minus. Can you tell first E2 minus E1 is how much? -13.6. E2 कितना? -3.4. minus देखो E2 minus E1, sir. E2 is -3.4. minus of -13.6 plus, very good, plus 10.2 electron volt. Acha, one more delta E I'm going to calculate. This time I go for E3 minus E2. How much the value? E3 minus E1. Acha, E3 value कितना sir? -1.51 minus of -3.4. Acha, -1.1 plus 3.4. Value sir? 1.9, approximately 1.9. Acha, value increase or decrease, sir? Decrease. And that means principal quantum number increases. Difference in principal quantum number increases. This value, sir? Previously asked APMD का question है. अच्छा, previously asked APMD का question है. क्या question है? This is a question is given है. E2 minus E1 should be greater than E3 minus E2, then E4 minus E3, then E5 minus E4, etc. This is a question asked previously asked. Previous asked question here. Note करो. Principal quantum number increases. Difference in energy decreases. Principal quantum number increases. Difference in energy decreases. Previous asked का NEET का question है. NEET का question है. Example है, ये वाला 10.2 आता है आपको. तो ये वाला approximately 1.9 आता है. And so on. Value decreases होंगे. Principal quantum number increases, energy difference decreases. If n value increases, energy difference decreases. This is the previous last question. Principal quantum number increases, energy difference decreases. Energy difference decreases. The last Bohr's model, last derivation, last one. Achha, what are derivation we did now? Almost all questions are based on this derivation part only. Bohr's model. चलते. अच्छा, anybody can tell expression once again. En value का expression है. minus 2 pi square m e power 4 k square z square by n square h square. Actually, you also write step by step. Once again, you can write. Minus 2 pi square m e power 4 k square z square by n square h square. अच्छा, according to Bohr, delta E is equal to E into E N1. अच्छा, emission है, N2 is higher energy level है, N1 is lower energy. Generally, in spectral series है, you derive the formula 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by N1 square N2 square. What is N1 N2? N1 is lower energy level है, N2 is a higher energy level. Here also N1 N2. अच्छा, एक काम करो, यहाँ मैंने En2 लिखा है. En2 का वैल्यू क्या है सर? माइनस 2 पाई स्क्वायर me for a 4 k square z square by n2 square h square. अच्छा, सपोज En1 है माइनस 2 पाई स्क्वायर me for a 4 k square z square by n1 square h square. Just substitute this value see over here. Substitute करो, आप भी करो, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. अच्छा, En2 क्या है? ये इंस्टेड ऑफ n2 करो. अच्छा देखो, माइनस 2 पाई स्क्वायर me for a 4 k square z square by n2 square h square. Shall I write that minus or minus plus है? minus 2 pi square minus or minus plus. Directly shall I write 2 pi square me for a 4 k square z square by n1 square h square. Now shall I common this 2 pi square me for a 4 k square z square by h square common, then 1 by n1 square 1 by n2 square, which is equal to delta E. Note करो, which is equal to delta E. अच्छा, now we'll do one thing. 2 constant, pi constant, m constant, e constant, k constant, h constant. Substituting all the values. 9, 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 z square, 1 by n1 square, 1 by n2 square. Suppose if you want to calculate energy, if electron belongs to second orbit and fifth orbit is like given, that formula you can use it. Energy joule में आता है. This is not R value, it's E value. अच्छा, एक बार आप NCERT बुक ओपन करो, सॉलिड एग्जांपल देखो. बोर्स मॉल में फर्स्ट सॉलिड एग्जांपल देखो. बोर्स मॉल में फर्स्ट सॉलिड एग्जांपल है. They're asking you energy. Given n belongs to first orbit, fifth or something else like given. Like देखो, what are the frequency, wavelength? Problem 2.10. Hydrogen is given, Z not required, na? Z is equal to 1. Problem 2, NCERT problem 2.10. NCERT problem 2.10. देखो, NCERT problem 2.10 डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला ना सर, एनर्जी कैलकुलेशन के लिए. आपके पास भी फॉर्मूला है ना. सपोज you forgot this formula, then what we'll do? E1 कैलकुलेट करो, E2 कैलकुलेट करो, डेल्टा इज इक्वल E2 माइनस E1 करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. नो डिफरेंस एट ऑल. अच्छा, डेल्टा E के लिए देखो सर, वंस अगेन ये डेल्टा E के लिए फॉर्मूला सर, डेल्टा E के लिए फॉर्मूला. फ्रीक्वेंसी फॉर्मूला चाहिए आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए, फ्रीक्वेंसी। अच्छा डेल्टा ई इज इक्वल क्या सर, एक बार देखो डेल्टा ई के लिए क्या है, एच ई, अच्छा एच ई दिस साइड आएंगे एच क्यू आता है। सपोज अब फ्रीक्वेंसी चाहिए ना सर, एच क्यू आता है। नाउ दिस टाइम दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू, फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल टू 3.29 into 10 power 15 z square 1 by n1 square by 1 by n2 square. If you want frequency directly, I'll give the formula. You are using R na, instead of R value you can use 3.29 10 power 15 है। अच्छा एक बार आप प्रीवियस क्लास क्वेश्चन देखो, प्रीवियस क्लास क्वेश्चन देखो सर, प्रीवियस क्लास क्वेश्चन सर, प्रीवियस क्लास क्वेश्चन सर। प्रॉब्लम 16 देखो सर, प्रॉब्लम 16 2004, प्रॉब्लम 16, प्रॉब्लम 16 फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया ना, गैस कर दी फ्रीक्वेंसी ना। चलो बताओ प्रॉब्लम 2004 का नीट का क्वेश्चन बताओ, 2004 APMT का क्वेश्चन बताओ। व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग, फ्रीक्वेंसी 3.29 into 10 power minus 10 power 15 है। आइडियल z is equal to 1। ये ऑर्बिट टीचर फोर्थ ऑर्बिट एंड फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट 1 by 1 square 1 by 4 square। अच्छा 3.29 into 10 power 15 है। अच्छा 1 minus 1 by 16 क्या था, क्या हाँ 3.2 in 10 power 15 15 by 6, ये वाला 16 सर, 15 by 16। one second check sir, 15 by 16 right, 15 by 16। देखो सर 15 3 से अंतर 15 3 approximately this 48 by 16 3। अब देखो approximately nearly 3 value 3 in 10 power 15 आंसर है, nearest value हाँ approximately। अच्छा directly you can use this formula, directly you can use this formula, otherwise what will do sir, first आप वेवलेंथ कैलकुलेट 1 by lambda कैलकुलेट करेगा, उसके बाद अगेन फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल c by lambda करना, 2 स्टेप प्रोसेस, दिस इज 1 स्टेप प्रोसेस। फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए फॉर्मूला नोट करो, ये वाला फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए रेट फॉर्मूला, प्रीवियस वन एनर्जी के लिए रेट फॉर्मूला, फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए रेट फॉर्मूला राइट। एनी डाउट నేను ఉంటే అడుగు డౌట్ ఉంటే అడుగు చెప్తా, ఇక్కడ కాదు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పు, ఈ వాల్యూ ఎలా వచ్చిందంటారా, 2 కాన్స్టెంట్ 5 కాన్స్టెంట్ m కాన్స్టెంట్ e కాన్స్టెంట్ k కాన్స్టెంట్ h క్యూబ్, అందుకే మేము అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్ లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయకుండా నేను డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పేస్తాను ఈ వాల్యూ ఇంత అని, ఇందుకు 1/r = 9 చెప్పాము కదా అలా లేదు సార్, మీరు నాకు చెప్పవసరం లేదు సార్, నేను ఎగ్జామ్ లో చేసుకుంటానంటే మీ చాయిస్, అప్ టు యూ ఓన్లీ। మీకు సింపుల్ గా చెప్తున్నాను, లేదు ఎగ్జామ్ లో మేమే చేసుకుంటాం ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ అంటే అక్కడ చేసుకోండి, అప్ టు యూ ఓన్లీ రైట్। లేదు ఇలా అని చేసుకోవచ్చు, 1 by lambda కనుక్కొని సీతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే న్యూనే వస్తుంది, సిన్స్ న్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు c by lambda, 1 by lambda కనుక్కోవడం మనకి ఫార్ములా ఈజీ right। अच्छा last but everybody knows wavelength and wavelength, wavelength and wavelength। चलो अच्छा once again I go for same formula, ये डेल्टा ई का फॉर्मूला था, am I right? delta E का formula here h square only, not h. Here h square only, not h. अच्छा delta E is equal to h nu ना sir, that is equal to SC by lambda ना sir, which is equal to SC nu bar ना sir. Delta E is equal to, shall we write like this? HC nu bar sir is equal to 2 pi square me for 4 k square z square by h square. अच्छा 1 by n1 square 1 by n2 square. देखो ये दोनों नीचे रहो, u bar is equal to क्या है 2 pi square me for 4 k square by ch cube z square 1 by n1 square 1 by n2 square. Sir, for your kind information sir, this is nothing but capital R, Rydberg constant. This is Rydberg constant. इसका वैल्यू 109677, इसका वैल्यू 10. अच्छा बेसिक फॉर्मूला यू यूजिंग दिस ओनली, u bar is equal to, अच्छा वी आर यूजिंग बेसिक फॉर्मूला. अच्छा u bar is equal to हाँ u bar is nothing but 1 by lambda only ना, 1 by lambda is equal to r z square 1 by n1 square 1 by, this basic formula I think everybody knows. अच्छा here r value you can use 10677. Sir, I will tell you simple thing. Suppose sir here energy is given now. अच्छा here r value you can use 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joules का. अच्छा energy joules में. अच्छा ये frequency is given ना sir, then r value you can use 3.29 into 10 power 15. खत्म. ये याद करो. इसका when this value you can use lambda mu number. अच्छा when this formula is used energy के लिए, when this formula is used, अच्छा remaining formula सच है, एक ही फॉर्मूला है बट आर वैल्यू चेंज कर रहा है. आर वैल्यू फॉर वेवलेंथ के लिए, वेव नंबर के लिए 109677 है. एनर्जी दिया तो 2.18 10 पर -18, फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गिवन है 3.20 10 पर 15 है. యూ రిమెంబర్ 3 ఫార్ములాస్ వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. లేదు సార్ 3 ఫార్ములా వద్దు, నేను ఈ ఫార్ములాని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాను సార్, న్యూ బార్ ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాను సార్, వేవ్ లెంత్ కావాలంటే 1 by lambda రాస్తాను సార్, ఎనర్జీ కావాలంటే డెల్టా E is equal to SC న్యూ బార్ సార్, న్యూ బార్ is equal to డెల్టా E by SC. సారీ డెల్టా E సారీ డెల్టా E నే కావాలి మనకి, న్యూ బార్ కనుక్కుంటాం, ఎస్సీతో మళ్ళీ చేయండి. ఇన్ని స్టెప్స్ చేసుకుంటారంటే ఇవి, లేదు సింగిల్ స్టెప్ లో కావాలంటే ఇవి. ఒకే ఫార్ములాలో ఆర్ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఈ ఆర్ ప్లేస్ లో మనకి 10677 లాగా 2.18 లేదా 3.29 ఏ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ వస్తే ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. ఈ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, మనకి ఎన్సీఆర్టీలో ఇచ్చారు, ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇచ్చారు ఈ రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే అన్కౌంటబుల్ అనుకోండి ఆర్ వాల్యూ అనేది. కాబట్టి బోర్స్ మోడల్ నుంచి ఇవన్నీ డెరైవ్ చేసాం మనం. ఆర్ వాల్యూ కానీ 1 by lambda కానీ న్యూ బార్ కానీ న్యూ కానీ ఎనర్జీ కానీ ఆల్ ఆర్ డెరివేటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ బోర్స్ మోడల్. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి వస్తుంది, భయపడే అవసరం లేదు. డోంట్ బి పానిక్ అబౌట్ దిస్ న్యూమరికల్స్ వాల్యూస్. నాకు తెలిసి మీకు ఈవెన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ క్వశ్చన్ సొల్యూషన్ లో కూడా ఈ పార్ట్లు ఎవరు ఏదో ఒకటి కనుక్కొని మిగతాది అలా చేసుకుంటారు. డెల్టా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ SC by lambda, న్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ C by lambda అలా చేసుకుంటారు. ఇదే డైరెక్ట్ గా వస్తుందని చెప్పండి బట్టు, ఎందుకంటే మనం నీట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కదా, యూఆర్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కదా, అందుకని డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా చెప్తున్నా. లేదు సార్ మా మీద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లేదా అంటే మీ ఛాయిస్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి ప్లీజ్ ఓపెన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అదే డెరివేషన్ పార్ట్ అర్థమైనా ఈరోజు చెప్పిన వెలాసిటీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, 10 minutes ఉంది టైం, ఒకసారి డెరివేషన్ పార్ట్ చూడండి, ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఒక స్టాప్ మీద రాయండి. కొంచెం కన్క్లూజన్ చెప్పండి నాకు ఒకసారి, కన్క్లూజన్ ఏమో కన్క్లూజన్ చెప్తారా? Rn is proportional to n square by z. अच्छा Vn is proportional to z by n. अच्छा time period proportional to n cube by z square. अच्छा orbital frequency RPS z square by n cube. अच्छा energy total energy z square by n square. अच्छा మీ న్యూమరికల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ గుర్తుండాల్సిందే. బోర్స్ మోడల్ అంటే ఇవన్నీ కళ్ళ ముందు కలిగినట్టు నిలిచాల్సిందే. ఒకసారి డైరెక్ట్ గా రిలేషన్ కూడా థియరిటికల్ గా అడుగుతారు క్వశ్చన్స్. విచ్ ఆర్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్ రిలేషన్, కరెక్ట్ రిలేషన్స్? Rn is proportional to n square by z, Vn is z by n, Tn is n cube by z square, Vn is z square by n cube, En is z square by n square. Who knows? Weekend examination, you may also ask the questions. Which are the following correct relation, incorrect relation? Just 10 minutes to revise the formulas, then after that you go for numericals. Previous last question, in test questions. अच्छा first NCERT in test question देखो, 1 or 2 questions are solved, examples are given. So 5-star mark, this is very important. If you know this, automatically 90% problems we will do in Bose model. अच्छा मेरा एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ an electron is 3.4 electron volt. Then electron belongs to which orbit? Or else, question number 1, this is question number 1. Question number 2. What is the radius of an electron? Radius of an electron. Question number 3. As the data is given, kinetic energy is given. They're asking you electron belongs to which orbit. If you know automatically electron belongs to which orbit, do you calculate the radius also? Kinetic energy given 3.4 electron volts. Then it belongs to which orbit? Paisa value. Kinetic energy is, if kinetic energy is 3.4 electron volt, what about total energy? Minus 3.4 electron. Achha, according to total energy formula, minus 13.6 by n square. Achha, atom is not mentioned, means by default you take hydrogen atom, which is equal to minus 3.4. अच्छा minus n cancel है, n square is equal to 13.6 by 3.4 है, n square is equal to 4 है, n is equal to 2. If electron belongs to second orbit, its kinetic energy 3.4, then total energy is equal to minus 3.4 electron volt. If electron belongs to second orbit, what is the radius sign? R2 is equal to A naught into 2 square, 4 A naught. So A naught value, you know, 0.5299. Approximately, you can write 4 A naught. A naught value क्या है? 0.5299. They may ask you question like that, indirect questions. If electron belongs to, indirectly they are asking electron belongs to which orbit. Direct total energy is given a right formula, you know that. But they will ask you potential energy, they will ask you kinetic energy. Then electron belongs to which orbit.